Hi, this is Carolyn again. This is how to set up your Word so it won't compress your photos. Every time you save in Word, there's some compression, and you need to check do not compress images. I save a lot, and that can compress and ruin pictures. Now, this is true for both paperback and eBooks because you should set up the photo resolution outside of Word. I'm putting this cheat sheet in the lesson resources. So you go to File and then Options. In Options, you click Advanced, scroll down to Images, and you want to click Do Not Compress Images in the File, and that way you won't be ruining them. So the resolution of your photos could be set up in Photoshop or somewhere else. Ebook images should be 150 dpi. Paperback images and cover images should be 300 dpi. DPI and PPI are not the same thing. I'm not going to go into it right now, but this is just a good idea to save you grief because, for instance, Amazon will say your pictures do not meet our 300 dpi resolution, for instance, for a paperback, and printing might be fuzzy. Now, I've printed books with old pictures that weren't 300 dpi, and they were fine, but you are kind of taking a chance until you see your proof. Thank you.